Ever wondered why coffee is the most loved beverage in the world? The answer lies in its rich history and the diverse tapestry of flavors it offers. Originating from the wild coffee forests of Ethiopia, this dark elixir has journeyed across continents, making its mark in every corner of the globe. From the coffee houses of Istanbul to the espresso bars of Rome, coffee has woven itself into the fabric of societies, becoming more than just a beverage, but a cultural phenomenon. The allure of coffee also lies in its diversity, with two main types of beans, Arabica and Robusta, each offering their unique flavor profiles. There's a brew for every palate. Arabica, known for its smooth, sweet, and slightly acidic taste, and Robusta with its strong, bold flavor and higher caffeine content. Indeed, the rich history of coffee is as diverse and fascinating as its flavors. Now that we've traced the origins of coffee, how about we delve into the art of brewing this beloved beverage? Brewing coffee is not simply a process, but a fascinating journey that transforms humble coffee beans into a delightful aromatic drink. Each brewing method, be it the quick and convenient drip method, the rich and robust French press, or the intricate and delicate pour-over, contributes to the unique taste and aroma of the final brew. The espresso method, popular in Italy, extracts the intense flavor and aroma of the beans through a high-pressure process. In contrast, the cold brew method, a favorite during summer, produces a smoother, less acidic coffee by steeping the grounds in cold water for an extended period. The choice of beans also plays a pivotal role in the coffee experience. High-quality beans, properly roasted and freshly ground, can elevate your coffee to new heights of flavor and complexity. Remember, the secret to a perfect cup of coffee lies in the beans and the brewing process. Did you know your daily cup of joe could be doing more than just waking you up in the morning? Yes, indeed. This beloved brew is a health booster in disguise. Packed with antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, coffee fights oxidative stress and shields your cells from damage. It's also a mental focus enhancer thanks to caffeine, which improves alertness and cognitive function. But that's not all. Coffee plays a role in mood enhancement, triggering the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin for a positive uplift. It's even linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's. Heart health, metabolic boost, liver protection, physical performance, skin health, even longevity. Coffee's got it all. But remember, moderation is key. Overconsumption can lead to adverse effects. So next time you sip on your coffee, remember, it's not just a beverage, it's a cup of health benefits.